Federal student loan debt forgiveness is here in the amount of $10,000 and $20,000. Under this new plan announced by the president today, you'll get $20,000 of your federal student loan debt forgiven if you're a Pell Grant recipient. And for other federal student loan borrowers, you'll get $10,000 of your debt canceled. This plan also includes a short extension of the forbearance program. That means you will not have to start repaying your federal student loan debts until December 31st, and your interest rate will remain at 0. But this is not for every borrower. To qualify, you must 1, have a federal student loan, and 2, have an annual income less than $125,000 or less than $250,000 for borrowers who file taxes joint married. Borrowers who are dependent students will be eligible for relief based on their parents' income rather than their own income. It's also important to note this does not apply to your private student loans. The White House believes 43 million federal student loan borrowers will be eligible for this plan. So what do you do next? Nothing yet. The Department of Education will be setting up what the president calls a simple application process for borrowers to claim this relief. The application will be available before the end of the forbearance program in December, but you can sign up for email alerts from the Department of Education for when that application is online. I put the link on my website. But before you go, there's a couple of other things you need to know about today's announcement. The president says this debt relief will not be treated as taxable income for federal income tax purposes. And lastly, the president announced he and the Department of Education are proposing some new monthly federal student loan repayment plans. One that would cut monthly payments in half for undergraduate loans. This new income-driven repayment proposed plan would cap monthly payments at 5% of a borrower's discretionary income, which is actually half the rate borrowers must pay now under current plans. The president is also proposing for future income-driven repayment programs, no interest would accrue if the borrower makes every monthly payment.